students, welcome to all. Today we are going to study digraphs of relation, matrix representation of relation and composition of relation. Now we start with the digraph of relation. Okay, so what is meant by digraph? So a digraph is the pictorial representation of relation R, is known as digraph of relation R or directed graph of relation R. Okay, so digraph of relations, digraphs of relations. So the pictorial representation of relation R is known as directed graph of R or digraph of R. Okay, so the pictorial representation of relation is known as directed graph of relation or digraph of relation. So here in digraph, suppose we consider the set A. Set A equals to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Suppose this is set and this set contains 4 elements, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we represent these elements by a small circle. So suppose 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we represent these elements by small circle. And here, see here, suppose relation R is 1, 1, 1, 2 and 2, 1. Okay, so this is relation R. Here 1 is related to 1. So we join 1 by an arrow whenever 1 is related to 1. So this is called a loop. Since 1 is related to 1, that means it is reflexive. Okay. Now again 1 related to 2. Here 1 is related to 2. So we join 1 to 2 by an arrow. Since 1 is related to 2. So 1 related to 2. Arrow from 1 to 2. Now next 2 is related to 1. So 2 is related to 1. We join this by arrow. Right? So we show this arrow from 2 to 1. Right? 2 is related to 1. So arrow from 2 to 1. Right? All of you get it this? How to represent the relation in the form of digraph. So this is called a digraph of relation R. Okay. So again listen carefully. We represent these elements of set by a small circle and then the ordered pair. So suppose here 1 is related to 1. So we join 1 to 1 by an arrow. Since 1 is related to 1. Again we join 1 to 2 by arrow from 1 to 2. Since 1 is related to 2 and order pair 1, 2 belongs to R. Okay. So in similar way 2 is related to 1. So this is the digraph of relation R. All of you get it this? Okay. So we take one more example. So example, we consider the set A, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then relation R defined on set A is 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3 suppose. Okay, so we take this relation here. Now here relation are defined on set A, and here we want to find the digraph, or we want to draw the digraph of this relation R defined on set A. So first of all, draw the elements of set A. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now 1 is related to 1, so this is loop. This 1 to 1 is called a loop. Then 1 is related to 2, from 1 to 2. 2 is related to 3, so from 2 to 3. Then 3 is related to 3, 3 to 3. 3 is related to 1, 3 to 1. Then 4 is related to 3, so 4 to 3. So this is the digraph of relation R defined on set A. Okay, all of you get it? How to draw the digraph of relation R? Okay, now we see the next point, next example. In this example, digraph is given and we want to find the relation R. Okay, so we take the example. Example, determine the relation R on set A equals to X, Y, Z, whose digraph is given below. So its digraph is X, Y, Z. So see here, we want to determine the relation R defined on set X, Y, Z, whose digraph is given below. So here digraph is given. Now observe the digraph. So here there are two loops, Y to Y and Z to Z. That means relation R contains order pair Y related to Y and order pair Z related to Z. Okay, so here relation R, there are two loops, Y to Y and Z to Z. So here in relation R we get Y and Z related to Z. Okay, now X is related to Y. There is an arrow from X to Y. Okay, so X is related to Y. Now again Y to X. So that means Y is related to X. So this is the relation R. So all of you get it, how to find the relation R from the digraph. So see here, there are two loops. Loop at point y and at point z. Loop, that means y is related to y and z is related to z. So we get two elements of relation are y related to y and z related to z. Now again, x is joined to y from x to y. So that means x is related to y. And again here y joined to x from y to x. So direction is y to x. So y is related to x, right? So here we get x related to y and y related to x. So this is relation defined on set A. Okay, all of you getted this? Okay. Now we see the next point, matrix representation of a relation. Okay. Matrix representation of a relation. Matrix representation of relation. So see here, if R is a relation between two finite sets A and B, where A is equals to A1, A2, A3 up to Am and B is equals to B1, B2, B3 up to Bn, then R is represented by M by N matrix denoted as M of R and is defined as M of R is equals to matrix Mij is equals to 1 if Ai related to Bj, that is order pair Ai Bj belongs to relation R, and 0 if Ai is not related to Bj, that is order pair Ai Bj does not belongs to the given relation. Okay, so that means we mark the entry 1 of the matrix when that pair belongs to relation, that is if Ai related to Bj, and we mark the entry 0 when Ai is not related to Bj. Okay, get it this? Now we see the example. So we take example. If set A equals to 1, 2 and set B equals to x, y and z. So A and B both are the finite sets. Okay. And relation R is 1x, 1z, 2y and 2z. Okay, so relation R is given 1x, 1z, 2y and 2z. So here we want to construct a matrix of relation R. Okay, so here we want to find the matrix of relation R. So the matrix of R is, so matrix of relation is denoted by M of R. Now, so here set A contains 2 elements and set B contains 3 elements. So matrix is of the order M by N, that means 2 by 3. So order of matrix is 2 by 3. 2 by 3, that means it contains 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay. So A contains 2 elements. So matrix M contains 2 rows. B contains 3 elements. So matrix contains 3 columns. Okay. So now row represented by set elements of set A. So 1, 2 and columns that is elements of set B represented by the columns X, Y and Z. Okay, all of you get it this? We represent the rows by the elements of set A and we represent the columns as the elements of set B. Now see the relation, and first pair 1 related to X. So 1 is related to X, so we mark the entry 1. See here, 1 if AI is related to BJ, or order pair AI BJ belongs to relation. So here 1x belongs to R, or 1 is related to X, so we mark this entry 1. Then 1Z. So here 1 is related to Z. So we mark this entry 1. But here in this relation there is no pair 1 related to Y. If no such a pair belongs to relation R, then we mark this entry as 0. So 1 is not related to Y, so we mark this entry by 0. Okay, now second, 2 related to X. So order pair 2x does not belongs to relation R, so we mark this entry by 0. Then 2 related to Y. 2 related to Y present in R, so mark this 1. Then 2 related to Z is belongs to relation R, so mark this entry by 1. Okay, so this is the matrix representation of relation R. All of you get it this? Here set A and B are finite sets. Set A contains 2 elements and set B contains 3 elements. So order of matrix is 2 by 3. That is matrix contains 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so row represent by the elements of set A and column represents by the elements of set B. We mark the entry 1 if that pair belongs to the relation. So here one pair 1x, that is 1 is related to X, belongs to relation R, so we mark this entry 1, and 1 is not related to Y, that is order pair 1y does not belongs to R, so mark this entry 0. So in this way we represent the matrix. All of you get it this? Okay, now we take the next example. Consider the relation R on set A 1, 2, 3, 4 as R 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 3 and last 4, 4. Find matrix of relation R. So see here example. Here relation R is defined on set A. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and relation is given. So here we want to find the matrix of relation R. Okay. So here, see here in this example, the relation R is defined from set A to set B. Okay. Now here the relation R is defined on set A, that is from A to A itself. Okay, so here that means set A contains 4 elements. So row represent elements of A as well as column also represent the elements of A. So here it represents 4, or A contains the 4 elements. So order of matrix is 4 by 4. Okay, so see here solution. The matrix is M of R equals to, so order of matrix is 4 by 4. So row represent elements of A and column also represent elements of A. Okay, now see here 1 is related to 1, so pair 1 1 belongs to R. So mark this entry 1. Then 1 related to 2. Here pair 1 2 is present in R, so 1 related to 2. 1 2 3. So here order pair 1 3 is not present in relation R, so mark this entry 0. Now 1 4, again 1 4 is not belongs to relation R, so mark this entry 0. Now 2 1, yes 2 1 belongs to relation R, that is 2 related to 1, mark this entry 1. Then 2 related to 2, so here 2 2 belongs to relation R, so mark this entry 1 again. Now 2 related to 3, so here 2 to 3, there is no pair belongs to R, so mark this entry 0. 2 4, 2 4 also doesn't belongs to R, so mark this entry 0. Now 3 1, 3 1 does not belongs to R, 0. Then 3 2 0, 3 2 3, yes 3 order pair 3 3 belongs to relation R, so mark this entry 1. Then 3 4, again 3 4 belongs to R, so mark this entry 1. Then 4 1 0, 4 2 again 0, but 4 3 belongs to R, so mark this entry 1. 4 4 also belongs to R, mark this entry 1. So this is the matrix of relation R. All of you get it this? If that pair belongs to R, then mark this entry 1, otherwise 0. Okay. Now we take the next example. Example. Consider the relation R defined on set A 1 2 3 whose matrix is given by, so matrix is M of R is equals to 1 0 1 0 0 1 and 1 0 0. Okay. Consider the relation R defined on set A whose matrix is given by, draw the digraph of relation R. So see here set A and relation. Relation is defined on set A and here we want to construct a digraph of relation R. Okay. So see here relation is defined on set A, that is A to A, from A to A itself. So here order of matrix is 3 by 3, right? So first of all we rewrite the matrix M of R equals to 1 0 1 0 0 1 and 1 0 0, and here we write the elements of row as well as column. Okay, now here we want to first find the relation. Okay, so from matrix relation R equals to, so relation R is 1, the here 1 related to 1, entry is 1, so that means 1 related to 1. So order pair 1 1 belongs to R. Here entry is 0 from 1 to 2, that is pair 1 2 does not belongs to R. Then 1 to 3 the entry is 1, that means pair 1 3 belongs to R. Now here From 2 to 1 entry is 0, from 2 to 2 entry is again 0. That means both the pair does not belongs to relation R. Then from 2 to 3 there is entry 1. So order pair 2, 3 belongs to relation R. And here 3 to 1 entry is 1. So 3, 1 belongs to R. Right, and remaining entry is 0, so that pair doesn't belongs to R. So from matrix we get the relation. Now from relation we draw the diagram. So set A contains 3 elements. So first of all represent this element by a small circle. 1, 2, 3. Now 1, 1 belongs to R. So there is loop at 1. So 1 is related to 1. Then pair 1, 3 belongs to R. That is 1 is related to 3. 1 related to 3. So from 1 to 3. Then 2 is related to 3. So from 2 to 3. And 3 is related to 1. So from 3 to 1. So this is the diagram of relation R. Right? So if matrix is given, then first of all we want to find the relation of given matrix, and then after finding the relation we construct the diagram of relation R. Okay, all of you get it this? So today we stop here, and in next lecture we will discuss about the topic composition of relation. So today we stop here. Thank you.